Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the date and time of a photo on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, or iPhone Air. Sometimes your photos show the wrong date or time. Maybe you took them while traveling or changed your time zone, and this simple trick will fix that. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Once it's open, find and select the photo you want to edit. Take a second to make sure it's the right one. Next, tap the small information button at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see details about the photo, including when and where it was taken. Now, tap Adjust to edit the date and time. Simply choose the new date and time you want. You can move it forward or back depending on when the photo was actually taken. When you're done, the changes save automatically, and your photo will now show the correct date and time in your library. That's it. You've successfully changed the date and time of a photo on your iPhone. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more quick iPhone tips from our channel.